Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. This is a vlogging series to basically, talk about a lot of stuff, what's going on, future projects, and so forth. Uh, yeah, my fast track is all the way over there. Okay, sorry. So we got a lot of stuff painted, and we got shorts and schedule. December is almost done. We got some Christmas theme. We got some old 3D prints that I did, if I can find it. Um, Basically, were Christmas stuff back in 2019 when I first fiddled around with 3D printing resin. I got the cheapest Anycubic that they have. It was a small one, and it worked really good for printing a lot of stuff. So we have a lot of those lying around, and we're gonna get them painted for the Christmas scheduling. The second is I do have the Players 2024 handbook, and I am gonna get a DNG 2024 and the Monster Manual 2025. I like to know if you guys want me to um, talk about it, review it, or something like that. I can do that. Make comparison with 2014 to 2024. So far, I've been hearing a lot of good things. There's a few bad things, but majority, the good things outweighs the bad. I guess I don't know. I just enjoy collecting books, and so far I read a little bit of it, and I'm just gonna wait for the whole set to come out to actually read it. Unless you guys want me to talk about things I like and don't like so far on it. And a lot of my party, my group that we play D&D with, we're gonna probably stick with 2014 for a long while, due to the fact that we only play like once every other week, and it's just a pain to relearn some of the newer stuff that they're having out. And we have our own little campaign. We'll have our own little rules and home rules as well. And getting, I think we'll be sticking with the 2020 2014, but I'm going to get a 2025 because one day I might be DMing at a bar, um, probably spring semester for D&D for like once a week because I do want to get some more D&D time with everything else. But right now, there isn't. It just conflicts with the schedule with my schooling, so I won't know till next semester or next month once I get the scheduling for everything else for that as well. We're almost done with painting the Warhammer Anime Girl proxies. We just did the Banshee, the proxy of it. I do like it. There is a lot of freaking orcs and space marines proxies right now on Kickstarter. I forget which one that you might want to keep your eyes out on. There's a lot of times they make a lot of those proxies for you guys because Warhammer's ridiculously expensive. Hell, resin is expensive too. But after a long run, you spend less on 3D printing it than actually buying the Games Workshop. But I do like the Games Workshop models, and I do like artists who makes the files for me to print it in many ways. We are going to be painting some figures, probably the Sisters of Battle figure I have back there, and I do have some other stuff I do want to paint, put some color in. Uh, Karlak was the test with the big one. I think that came out really good. It's just I just gotta keep at it and get that done. Anyhow, that's pretty much it for me. Uh, I know it's a short one, but other than that, it's something. I keeping it, keeping heads up what I may not do, what you guys want me to try out as well. Anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.